Meaning of gram.
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 Gram. Gram is a metric unit of mass equal to 1/1000th of a kilogram. It is widely used for weighing small items such as food ingredients, jewelry, and drugs. The term gram is derived from the Greek word gramma, which means a small weight. The gram is also used as a measure of force in some contexts, such as the weight of a bullet or the force of gravity on an object. In summary, the gram is an essential unit of measurement in both scientific and everyday applications for measuring small masses.